Hello, this is Professor Murphy. Welcome to English 1010. I would just like to welcome you to the class, and I'm going to just quickly go over how to use the D2L page for this course. So as you see, once you log on and choose your course, the first thing you'll see is your announcements section. Each time you log in, this is what will come up on your screen. Make sure you read it, as there will be, could be 2 or 3 posts every week on helpful information that you can use for your essays and anything else in your course. So the first thing we're going to look at really is your course material, communication, and assessments. These are the 3 areas that you'll be using. So for course material, you'll go to course content. Course content, as you see on the left, will include all of your modules, and in each module, you'll have all of the components that you'll need for the course. The first one you'll have is the Getting Started. In Getting Started, you'll have 4 sections: Overview, Learner Success, Online Classroom, Resources, and Support. And there is a pre-course quiz to make sure that you've gone over all of this information. So please go over those 4 components carefully so that you understand how the course works. The other modules are the Remembering an Event essay, Justifying an Evaluation essay, Arguing for Causes essay, and Arguing Position essay. Also included in the modules are the PowerPoints that you can go to directly, or any handouts, videos, and grade rubrics. If you click on the modules, each one, you'll get all the sections. So for example, in Getting Started, you'll have all of the components for the overview section, all of the components for learner success, the online classroom, and resources and support. Make sure you go through each one of these, and again, finish with the pre-course quiz, which is unlimited time and unlimited attempts. The modules are organized by week. So for example, for the Remembering an Event essay, you'll have 4 weeks. Each week will give you instructional material, how-to guides, and samples. Make sure you are reading each one of these so that you understand how to finish each of the writing process that leads up to the final essay. Within each week, you'll have an overview section. The overview section will include what we will do during the week, your objectives and what you're expected to learn and do by the end of the week, and your reading assignments, any PowerPoints, videos, etc. And of course, the assignments due by the end of the week. Now, these assignments, PowerPoints, etc. are linked. You can click on these directly. However, sometimes you might find a link is broken. Don't panic. You can just contact me, or on the left on the course materials up here, you can go directly to any of the PowerPoints or handouts. Okay, so once in a while, again, links might be broken, but just contact me and we'll get it fixed. The second thing you want to look at is communication. There's announcements and discussions are the biggest areas that you'll look at. Announcements we've mentioned before, that each week you'll have at least 2 or 3 announcements that you might need. Please look at those and read them every time you log in. This information will help you with your essays again. It might also include extra information or change due dates. The other thing you're going to be paying attention to is the discussion board. The discussion board has 3 parts. You have the question and answer forum. This area is for you to write to your peers and to me about any questions pertaining to the course assignment, anything you're not sure of, anything about grammar, editing, etc. Please post your questions here. Your peers, you're welcome to answer, and I will also answer, okay? Try to get comfortable doing this. You'll need each other for support in this course. And I, of course, will be checking and making sure you get answered, I hope, within 24 hours after you post. The other thing you're going to look at are the guidelines. There's no minimum word count, but please read the guidelines so you know what is expected. This includes examples of good posts and examples of poor posts. In each of these, you'll have the getting started for the first week, introduction, and first week, an important event. The first week is the only one you'll have 2 discussion boards. Every other week we'll have just one. So please make sure you read these carefully. When responding or giving answers in the discussion boards, please be as thorough as possible. Help your peer out. Don't just write, I like it, I agree with you. Give some important information back to your peer. The other thing you're going to look at is the assessments. Assessment includes 3 parts that you'll need: the assignments, your grades for you to see, and the quizzes. The assignments will include each of your module essay, remember an event, justifying an evaluation, arguing for causes, and arguing a position. Please make sure when you go in here, these are the due dates on the right. You can click on each of these and submit your assignment for each writing process component. The other thing you'll look at are the grades. Your grades will come up for every one of your quizzes, discussion boards, and your essays. So this is where you can check if you have questions about, then you can email me. Okay? Anything else, again, you can put on the Q&A forum. The last one are your quizzes. These are all the quizzes. The pre-course quiz has unlimited. Otherwise, these quizzes will have limited attempts of 2 attempts and 60 minutes each. Okay, there'll be 14 quizzes maximum, and they will cover everything in your reading and the instructional material provided. So please go through there. There are no trick questions. All the information is provided for you. All you have to do is spend the time to go through each one. So that's it. So please go through this, play around with it, get used to it and comfortable with it. If there's any questions about this, again, just go to the communication and discussions and post it in your Q&A forum, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks very much, and good luck in the course.